These are neat. Yeah, this looks like probably onyx inlay. These look very sage, and these look very India, don't they? Yeah, this is all hand done. Yeah, see how they pound out and flatten these? That's how that fringe necklace is, only the ends are hearts. The Victorian piece. Here's the mate. Yay, we have a mate. We have a mate. I never doubted that there'd be mates for everything in here. It's not Tanya's style to send you single earrings unless you ask for them. I'm assuming this from my observations. These are really neat. I hope I can get these wires through my ears. My ears are so fat, like my earlobes are just so just meaty, chunky, that when I go to put really skinny wires in, they get lost. It's like I can't come to the other side. They're like, I can't get out. Where he is? It's really kind of crazy, but yeah. Okay, we are blinged, man. We're blinged. We are blinging, blinging, bling, bling, bling. We're blinging. We're blinging it. This is so great. This is great. Oh, yeah. That'll leave a mark. It's really well made. It's a costume ring, but it's extremely well built. Stone is a tiny bit loose, but it's not going any damn where because it's caged. It's not glued in. It's caged. It's not going anywhere. Very beautiful. I got it upside down. There we go. Turn that crown upside down. It actually looks really cool on, doesn't it? I like it. I like it. I do. Ooh, vintage brooch. Look at that. These are purple and green. That's a very Lee Schofield. You can tell by the color. You can tell by the color. Look at the sparkle. This is probably Austrian. Yep, and they're really well made because see how there's two levels? But on this piece, which is the armature, this could have been like done in the cottage industry where they go and get the findings and take them to and build them with all the rivets. But there's only the one rivet here that holds this together, which is good. Classic Y. Clasp attachment. Take a look at this clasp. And, okay, it is a forward locking, because sometimes they'll be like today we pull it forward to lock it, but the real old ones would go backwards to lock it. The early locking clasps were backwards from the newer ones. So I would say this is probably, this really looks like probably like a 1940s piece. Look at that. It really, yeah. Deb, what do you think? 40s on this? I think so. I think so, honey. We got more groovy earrings that are wood. Nope, this is bead. Don't think it's coral, but this is definitely, is that stone? I hate putting shit in my mouth. Yeah, it's stone. These are cool. They're very cool. These are nice. Really nice big hoops, too. These are easily 2 inches. More artisan work. Beads on a wire. Oh, wow. These are wood. I love wood earrings and jewelry in general. I bought that pair from Tanya that had the dark wood with the brass. Oh, yeah. Those are already in my armoire. Look at that. These are so cool. Very, very cool. These are neat. Yeah, they're very lightweight because they're wood. It's so soft. Man, you know how long they had to sand that to get that smooth finish? I'm telling you, a long time. Ah, more bows. We got littles. Something came apart. I don't think these are the earrings. I think something came off there. This is gonna go with the littles. Yep, we got some findings in here, which are cool. Yep, here's another little piece of finding. Yeah, this I'm building a piece of jewelry over here, and these findings, and they're really nice too, because they're like sterling and stuff. Yeah, like butterflies, and this looks like, and it's glass. I'm thinking that's moonstone or opalite. So yes, I'm building quite an impressive piece over there with these findings. Oops, that's a whole piece. Yeah, these are cool. Oh, this is an earring. I saw you. Because I thought you were glass and you're acrylic. Yep, I saw you. Let's put the littles over here. Hey, hey, what do we got? It got broken. Aha, here's the other one of these. What did I do with it? Probably over here. I'm in the middle of so many projects at one time. It's absolute insanity in my house. My husband said, living room. I'm like, what about living room? Is there stuff everywhere? I'm like, no, there's some empty boxes, and my rugs out of the kitchen are in there. There's not stuff everywhere. If it would have been snake, it would have bit me. It was right in front of me. Yeah, these are nice. They're the puffed silver, electroformed, whatever you want to call it, and it's got the gold wash on these. Really, really nice. You know what? I think this is a set. It is. And here's the other one. Wow, this is gorgeous. Let's see. Oh yes, it's early because it, bam, I get you. This is for tension control. Yeah, these aren't marred, but I'm saying these are Austrian all day long. I mean, look at those crystals. These are Austrian. You can tell. These were done over in Europe. And the cotton. Look at that sparkle. These are absolutely drop dead gorgeous. More littles. This is pretty. It's got that matte gold color. I was at Lucia's auction with Anita and bought some things, and I got some matte gold earrings like this in one of those jewelry jars. This is really pretty. Looks tiny too. Tiny too. I don't know that I could get it on and off though with my hands. I don't want to sit here and fumble with it for 15 minutes trying, so we're going to just put that down. This looks brass or copper. Yep, a little bit bigger one. It's probably just Dad back, honey. He took the rag top, so yes, he's going to be making noise out there. These are like charms and dangles and really some great stuff. Honey, I'm making a video.
Okay, I won't come in.
I know we looked at that, but I just love it. I just love it. Okay, can we partner up here? Yes, we can. Oh, these are cool. These are copper. I like copper. Oh, look, it's got a horse. What is he made of? That's metal also. Wow, look at that. They're copper. Stop, little horsey. Don't run away. Those are cool. I like copper. Remember, I got all those copper pieces off of Tammy at Wings of Love Treasures. I shined them all up. They turned out really cool. And they jingle, jangle, jangle. Yes, you go over here. Ooh, a big bow brooch. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You know it. These are going on pearls. I need to get my other necks down here to set some of these up. I don't know if I'll sell my, can you, yes, absolutely. That is gorgeous on a strand of pearls. Oh my God. Look how buttery and beautiful. Look at the finish. That's got to be like Monet or somebody. There's no way it's not signed. And if it isn't, it doesn't matter. Because the quality. Look at that. Look at the back. Look how clean it is. It's not that rough texture stuff. No, that's nicely done. Really, very feminine brooch too. The bow. So you could wear it like this. I really like it like this on the side. That is so pretty. We have a match. More sterling. And this is most likely coral. Could be smiley oyster, but it's probably coral. Be still, little boogers. Very cool. We'll shine them up. Again, black fingers, which is a wonderful thing to get when you're going through jewelry. It's like, yes, I'm getting black fingers. This is good. Wow, look at the pretty little clasp on that. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? Now to figure out how it works. I think it's one that you squeeze and take it off the end. Just squeeze and pop it off. I think I'm squeezing the wrong end. Very small. Prettiness. Prettiness. We have another one. I don't know that this was in Tanya's. I think this got mixed in from Anita's stuff. It just doesn't even look like something that I don't remember ever seeing anything like that. But isn't that pretty? Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. I'm not sure this was on this lot. Because I got a few lots. And I've been going with everything. Making the jars. I'm starting them. Yeah, so one of the two people get credit for this one. It's really pretty. I like it. These are cutesies. Cutesy, cutesy. Get the whole brass and wood thing and the flop. Yeah, so 70s. We have another ring. That's pretty. Yeah, those are glass. Yep. Yep. I can tell it's sterling. I know it is. Yeah, it is. It's like butter. It's like butter. You're not by yourself, are you? These are probably on my bed, to be honest. See, all these nice little finds that are actually neat. I betcha, because when the dog jumped on the bed and the box was on the foot of the bed, I didn't realize I hadn't set on the floor. And the weight of this jar was so heavy, the box went boosh. I mean, you know, yeah, I thought I got it all, but there's probably some lingerers hanging out on the bed. So that is Tanya's wonderful jewelry jar. Tanya, thank you. Thank you so very much. And you guys know, you know some of what will be in the jewelry lots, because I can't possibly wear all of this. And they're wonderful pieces. I love, there's so many artisan pieces in here, and stone, and the sterling, guys, my gosh, there is a ton of sterling in this lot. Thank you so much, Tanya. I appreciate you. I'll put a link to Diamond's channel, because there's 7 in total, I do believe, of presenters, and Tanya's participating. She's on the West Coast. Sue is on the East Coast, and I know that Gina Gay, I think Gina's on the West Coast, and we get, is Kirsten doing it? Yes, Kirsten's participating, Kirsten Red, and Tiny Deer Vintage. I feel like I'm forgetting somebody. I'm really sorry. I will put the link, though, in the description, and that starts at 4 p.m. on the West Coast and 7 p.m. here on the East Coast. So I will see you guys around chat for a little while. I'm going out, obviously, for a bit tonight to celebrate. Yeah, see how I mean? But this hugs you? It does, which is nice. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. See, I forgot these were on. They're so comfortable. But I'll fill my kitchen drawer with them. My kitchen drawer is always full of jewelry, because I go to do dishes or cook, and I strip off my jewelry, and I find tons of piles of jewelry at the end of the week. Okay, that is all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back tomorrow with my first video of the new year, where I'm actually selling. And as you know, I got my big pile of stuff behind me and in front of me, and I'm working on building the jewelry jars, and as you can see, I got plenty of stuff to go in there, so good value. They'll be very good values for you guys. Obviously, I do keep resellers in mind on my prices because, you know, that's what I do. I look for bargains, and some pieces I get to keep and some I do resell. So thanks so much for tuning in. I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy New Year. Bye.